Hello and welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we'll be looking at selecting complex depressions. And for that we'll be using Bounding Box, a tool guide of select. On the depression on the left, it'll be hard to isolate all the geometry we want to select, even if we use the power select button. We'll have to select on several different areas in order to grab on all of the geometry. And even if we sometimes try to box select the geometry, in this example, we can see that there's more geometry there. There's tubes running alongside of it that we couldn't really get in a box select. So using a bounding box, we'll just isolate all the geometry inside that's up to the surface we selected on. And if I press fill, we can get rid of it all at once. Let's look on our next example. If I select on that surface, use bounding box on the top, you'll see that the surfaces go all the way through back to the other side. So if we control select another surface to isolate it, we can see that just the area inside has been selected. And if I hit fill, we can remove it. But let's look at a real world example. So I want to select on this depression here. So if I try to box select it, it's going to be tough. So let's use our bounding box. We'll select a face on the inside, select on our bounding box tool guide, and we'll select the bottom face. Notice that the surface is leaked all the way around, so let's bound it with a few more faces. We'll control select the top one to isolate that cylinder. We still have an issue, so there might be a few more areas that we'll need to address. And we can see that the selection is leaking out of this hole as well. So we'll cap that by control selecting it. We probably have one more area. So we'll control select here, and that should do it. We've isolated our region, so now only the inside faces are selected. And if I hit fill, we can remove that depression from the model. I hope you've seen how using Bounding Box will greatly assist in selection. Thank you for watching.